Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Apple Pay on Amazon. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So it's actually pretty easy. So I'll be showing you how to do it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Amazon.com. So once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to the top right of your screen. Now in here, what we're looking for is the section that says accounts and listing. You just need to hover over it, and from here you'll see the section that says your account. So what you need to do here is you want to look for the section that says account. So just click on it, and from here you have the options for your account. In here you have your orders, login and security, Prime, and a lot of other stuff. But what we're looking for here is your payments. So just click on your payments, and from here you want to go to add a payment method here. Now once in here, you want to click on the add a credit or debit card here. And from here, you will be able to actually add your card number, name on the card, and expiration date. So if you don't know the details of your Apple Pay, then you could go ahead and open up your Apple Pay application, and at the top right, you should be able to see a card icon on it. So you just need to click on it to see your card details, and from there you just need to enter your details from the card, and from there you should be able to link your card into your Amazon account, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.